Hello, this is Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. Today I want to talk to you about dash cams. And you may say to yourself, why do you want a dash cam? That's a good question. Why would you want a dash cam? Do you drive? Yes. Do you park in parking lots? Yes. That's why you want a dash cam. People do crazy stuff out on the highway all the time. Just so happens yesterday when I was coming home from work, I had a guy come hauling butt up behind me, almost run in the back of me, stood on his horn, and then flew around me up into traffic ahead. He got up ahead, he swerved back over in the lane that I was in, and then decided they weren't going fast enough either. So he floored it and tried to go around while the vehicle in front of him was trying to move over. They both swerved back and forth in the highway, and one almost hit the other, and it was just a big Charlie Foxtrot mess in front of me. And that's why you want a dash cam while you're driving. In the parking lot, people don't care in the parking lot. I park my truck out in the middle of nowhere in the parking lot so I don't get door dings up and down my truck. People just do not care. They do not respect other people's property. I've had somebody, run down the side of my wife's van in a Walmart parking lot. You've got to have some kind of evidence to defend yourself, and this is the evidence to help you not only defend yourself, but catch the people, the perpetrators who just don't care out there. One other thing, one good reason why you want a dash cam. Law enforcement out there are out there for two things. They're either there to write you a ticket or to place you under arrest and take you to jail. And unfortunately, this is our society today. My father was in law enforcement for 13 years. He didn't treat people like that. He didn't disrespect people like that. But the way it's going right now, that's what's happening out in America, in the United States, and it's not probably not coming more prevalent. It's just that people are videotaping this stuff now to defend themselves, and you see more and more of it because of YouTube. And it's another reason why I got this camera. I don't like liars, and I have had my fair share of liars come up and say, well, you did this or you did that. And if I only had video to show, the guy was full of it, I could have gone to court and said, hey, this is a complete fabrication and lie, but it's your word against their word. So, again, think about it. Why do you want a dash cam? I've given you a couple of good reasons. You can come up with your own reasons, but, it's just to defend yourself in the case of calamity. And a calamity happens all the time. As soon as I got my truck from the dealership in July of 2018, when I, first purchased it, on my way home, idiots just come out of the woodwork. Folks they don't pay attention to what they're doing. I've had multiple instances of people pulling out in front of me, people whipping over in front of me, almost causing accidents. People driving these 18-wheelers that just, it's just ridiculous. So I'm going to tell you about this one here. I've got it. It is an Apeman C860. It's capable of playing or recording and playing almost 4K. Not quite complete 4K, but it's pretty close. I have it set right now at 1080p at 60 feet per second. This is awesome quality for a $100 camera. What it does is it'll record while it's sitting here. It'll record while you're going down the road, 5-minute increments, 6-minute increments, and it'll keep recording. And as it records, it deletes the oldest recording. The only time it will not delete the oldest recording is if you hit the panic button, and it will record and it will save it. The only way to get rid of that is to delete it. Also, it comes with a rear camera. I don't have the rear camera installed right now because I have no way to mount it other than on the glass, and I'm not going to do that. So I'm waiting for a suction cup to show up where I can mount the rear camera. That way I'll have a front view and rear view recording at the same time. As you can see, I've got the cable routed. It's hidden behind the headliner, down the A-pillar, into the dash, out from under the dash to the power port on the dash. And you see it's got an extra USB, port for your camera or for your phone or whatever. I use my vape, charge my vape off of it every once in a while. It also comes with a long and short USB cable. Now the short one's about 3 to 4 foot long. The long one is probably long enough you can run it for a power cable. I haven't tried it yet. I'm perfectly fine with this one here. Like I say, it records at 1080p. It can go up to, I believe, 1440p. Now it comes with this suction cup. It comes with a adhesive backed mount for the rear camera. The instructions, they're really short, but it doesn't take long to figure out how this camera works. 10-15 minutes just going through the settings and reading. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's got a shock sensor in it, so if somebody runs into your vehicle, if you catch them on the front camera or the rear camera, you're going to get them recorded, and that way, you can file a report with the police and hopefully, get your money back from the insurance company that you have to pay to file a claim on your insurance. I think this is a really great idea and a really great deal to get on Amazon. I mean, it's, like I said, it's a high quality camera. I'm going to attach some video that I've made with the camera. That's about a minute and a half. You can see the high quality video. So, I mean, again, this is a great deal, and I highly suggest everybody get them a dash cam, just to have a peace of mind while you're in your vehicle, but also while you're away from your vehicle. This is Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. I appreciate you watching my videos. Please do hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Thank you.